In China, the fastest humanoid robot in the world named Star 1 has been unveiled. Created by the Chinese company Robot Era, the robot set a new speed record for humanoid robots with 3.6 meters per second. This achievement was made possible by high-torque motors and the use of sneakers, which helped the robot adapt to various types of terrain, including asphalt, dirt, and gravel. Standing 171 centimeters tall and weighing 65 kilograms, Star 1 demonstrated its ability to maintain maximum speed for 34 minutes. It surpassed the previous record held by Unitree's H1 robot, which reached a speed of 3.3 meters per second. Although Star 1 used additional footwear to enhance its speed, this does not diminish its technical superiority. Unlike H1, Star 1 showcased true running with its feet leaving the ground. It is equipped with a powerful artificial intelligence system capable of performing 275 trillion operations per second, far exceeding the computing power of standard computers. And here is the former world record holder, the Chinese robot H1 developed by Unitree. The updated version of the robot can run on flat surfaces at a speed of 11.9 kilometers per hour, or 3.3 meters per second. Until recently, this was enough to set the world record for a full-sized humanoid robot, but now H1 holds second place on the record list. The previous record was held by Cassie from Agility Robotics Company, but since it is essentially just a structure made up of legs and a head, it couldn't be classified as a robotic humanoid. Unitree H1 was first announced in December 2023. The model stands 180 centimeters tall, weighs 47 kilograms, and can carry a payload of up to 30 kilograms. The startup incorporated hip, knee, ankle, shoulder, and elbow joints into the design of the Unitree H1. Here is one of the fastest robots in the world introduced by the Chinese company Astrobot and named S1. The robot is unique for its ability to move at speeds of up to 10 meters per second and lift loads weighing up to 10 kilograms. Its speed is fast enough to pull a tablecloth out from under a stack of glasses without knocking them over. However, this robot is not only fast but also incredibly precise. It can perform a wide range of tasks, such as pouring wine, carefully peeling a cucumber, flipping a sandwich on a pan, vacuuming, and even writing in calligraphy. The robot's ability to accurately mimic human movements showcases its high potential for learning. Moreover, its AI model allows S1 to learn and replicate movements from humans. The company spent about a year developing it, and Astrobot claims the humanoid robot is expected to go on sale by the end of 2024. This bipedal robot, Cassie, created by Agility Robotics, became famous for setting a world record in the 100-meter dash among robotic creations. The world record for humans in the 100 meters is held by the legendary Jamaican sprinter Usain Bolt, who ran the distance in 9.58 seconds in 2009. In comparison, Agility Robotics' robot ran this distance in 24.73 seconds. While this isn't a record for humans, it was enough to set a Guinness World Record for bipedal robotic devices. Agility Robotics developed Cassie in 2017, with the design based at Oregon State University. In 2021, Cassie managed to complete a 5-kilometer distance in under 1 hour. To achieve this, developers used machine learning algorithms that helped the robot learn to run, utilizing unique biomechanics in knees that bend like those of an ostrich. Overall, this is the record holder for bipedal robotic mechanisms. Robodogs also have their own world record holder in the 100-meter dash. Recently, the robot dog Hound set the fastest time for this distance among similar devices, establishing a new record. The robot was designed at the Dynamic Control and Robot Design Laboratory of the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology. Hound weighs 45 kilograms and can run 100 meters at an average speed of 18.12 kilometers per hour. completing the distance in 19.87 seconds. At a normal speed of 3 meters per second, it can traverse grass, cover long distances, and climb slopes with a 22-degree incline. The design includes hip and knee drive modules in a parallel configuration with a hollow shaft, and it is also equipped with a planetary gearbox for greater movement efficiency. Hound's development was aided by reinforcement learning. Swiss Mile has developed an innovative high-speed transformer robot capable of moving on both wheels and legs. This robot can reach speeds of up to 22 kilometers per hour when moving on wheels. It can not only travel quickly on flat surfaces but also navigate stairs, uneven terrain, and other obstacles using its legs. Additionally, the robot can carry loads of up to 50 kilograms, making it ideal for logistics and delivery in urban and industrial areas. Swiss Mile is also equipped with an autonomous navigation system that uses artificial intelligence to analyze the environment and make real-time decisions. This allows the robot to adapt to changing conditions and work efficiently both indoors and outdoors. Engineers from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology have unveiled one of the fastest and most advanced robots in the world named Cheetah. This robot was inspired by the movements of a real cheetah and can reach speeds of up to 16 kilometers per hour and jump over obstacles as high as 46 centimeters. The Cheetah robot weighs about 9 kilograms, making it easy to transport and use in various environments. One of its key features is the use of an algorithm to control each of its 4 legs, allowing it not only to run on rough terrain, but also to maintain balance and stability even when encountering uneven surfaces. The MIT engineering team believes that in the future, the robot will have the ability to reach speeds of up to 48 kilometers per hour, thanks to new improvements in its design and control systems. The Cheetah robot, developed by Boston Dynamics with support from DARPA, has become a breakthrough in robotic industry. One of the key goals of the project was to create a robot capable of outrunning humans and being used in military rescue and humanitarian missions. Cheetah gained recognition for its ability to achieve incredible speed for a 4-legged robot. In laboratory tests, it reached a record speed of 45.5 kilometers per hour on a treadmill, surpassing the world sprint record holder Usain Bolt, whose top speed was 44.7 kilometers per hour. This result was made possible by an advanced control system and a more powerful pump that powers the robot's hydraulic actuators. The innovative humanoid robot called Mbot was developed by Menti Robotics Company and is a flexible robot that mimics human movements. It can walk in any direction, run, balance, squat, and turn in place. This robot is designed to perform complex tasks using artificial intelligence and integrated machine learning systems. Mbot is equipped with advanced computer vision systems and the ability to create a 3D map of its environment in real time. It can move at a speed of about 1.5 meters per second, allowing it to navigate various spaces efficiently. The robot also demonstrates flexibility in its movements, can avoid obstacles, and adjust its actions depending on the task at hand. Write in the comments what you liked most after watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Karo Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. See you next time.